So I'm going to show you how to fit a set of Rimsavers alloy wheel rim protectors. Today we're going to do it here on a table. Normally this would be done with the wheel and tyre on the car, as the wheel and tyre do not need to be removed to fit this product. It uses a 3M high bond tape and bonds to the surface of the wheel. Okay, so now we're going to unbox the Rimsavers. Inside the box we have a set of detailed instructions, a set of joining clips and adhesive for the joining clips. We have 4 3M adhesion promoter wipes, 4 alcohol cleaning wipes, and then 4 strips of the actual Rimsavers material itself. First step is to use the cleaning wipe to clean around the wheel surface. Just open up the wipe and then literally just use this to wipe around the wheel several times. The idea is to get any contaminants on the rim surface away. Once you've done that, the next step is to use our 3M adhesion promoters. Now, I always suggest wearing a set of latex gloves when doing this step because the primer is very sticky. And inside we have a little sponge which is impregnated in the 3M adhesion promoter. All we need to do is then use this to wipe around the edge of the wheel. You only need to go around once because it's a sponge. As you squeeze it, the primer will flow out. You need to let the primer dry for around 5 minutes. You just need to take the 3M backing tape off of one end. Just take off a couple of inches to expose the 3M very high bond tape, and then literally all we're going to do is we're going to hook this top edge over the top edge of the wheel and then feed it around the wheel. It's quite a simple process. As we're doing this, we're just going to peel off the backing tape and then press down as we go. Guide it all the way around the wheel until we get to the other end where the ends meet. Once we get to the ends, leave the last few centimetres of the 3M backing tape on, overlap the ends, and then what we need to do is need to take a Stanley knife, okay, and we just need to mark where we need to make the cut. Don't cut with a Stanley knife, just mark it because you don't want to cut into your wheels. We'll use a set of scissors to cut the profile where we need to meet the two ends, and then once you're happy with the cut line, remove that last bit of backing tape and press it down. The next step is to install a clip. In the purple kit we use a rose gold clip. We also use the rose gold in the orange. Most of the kits, like the white, the blue, the red, the black, the metallic silver and the graphite grey, have colour match clips, and in the other kits we use a chrome clip. This uses a small piece of adhesive, and basically we put the adhesive onto the back of the clip and then just bond it over the join to ensure a nice neat finish to the product. That's the basic process for installing the Rimsavers product. Obviously you'll be doing it with the wheel and tyre on the car. If you ever have any questions about our products, please get in touch. Thanks for your time.